Hello, this is Jensen, and before I begin, I would like to say that I have had no communication with both of my colleagues pretty much all week, and so I'm doing this by myself. My computer does not allow me access to record on Zoom, so I'll be using my phone, and I cannot switch back from me to front view camera and back view camera, so I'm just going to keep it on back view camera. So with that, I would like to begin. So would you like to make some extra cash? Well, here's a way to do that. And I will be talking about the rectangular coordinate system. What is a rectangular coordinate system? Some call it a Cartesian coordinate system, which is a coordinate system that specifies each point uniquely in a plane by a pair of numerical coordinates, which are assigned which are the assigned distances to the point from two fixed perpendicular directed lines measured in the same unit of length. The point 3, 2, as you can see here, 3 up 2, is a specific point on the graph. The 3 is on the x-axis and the 2 is on the y-axis, so it is represented as 3, 2 to locate one central spot on the graph. This is called a rectangular coordinate system. Here's a real life scenario. Let's say you own a business. You have for the past 4 years and you forgot to file last year's taxes and you have to find it. You have to find out what your profit was from last year. Using the rectangular coordinate system, you can find the exact profits from last year on your graph. You can see that in year 3, you made a profit of $500,000. So that is what you would put when you file for your company's taxes. I'm going to zoom in on the graph here. You can see Y is the profit represented by 100,000 and X is the time in years. You can't have negative years, so obviously it starts at 0. And at that, you can see that you started out with negative $200,000. On year 1, you broke even. At year 2, you made a profit of $200,000. And at year 3, you can see that you made a profit of $500,000. So that's what you can conclude is that using the rectangular coordinate system, you can find a unique point on the graph. I'm sorry this isn't the best video that you have seen, but it's the only thing that I could do with the little amount of time that I've had. I'm sorry that I coughed because I'm starting to get sick, and that's all I have for you today.